Welcome to my channel. How to reset wireless printer. 1. Turn on the printer. Press the power button to ensure the printer is powered on. 2. Disconnect any cables. Unplug any USB or Ethernet cables connected to the printer. 3. Access the control panel. Navigate to the printer's settings or setup menu using the touchscreen or buttons. 4. Open Network Settings. Find and select Network Settings or Wireless Settings. 5. Select Restore Network Defaults. Choose the option to restore network defaults or reset wireless settings. 6. Confirm the reset. Confirm the action if prompted to ensure the network settings are reset. 7. Turn off the printer. Power off the printer by pressing the power button. 8. Unplug the printer. Disconnect the printer from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. 9. Reconnect power and turn on. Plug the printer back in and turn it on by pressing the power button. 10. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Use the wireless setup wizard in the network settings menu to reconnect the printer to your Wi-Fi network, entering your network name, SSID, and password. Thank you for watching.